Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your profile on Facebook. Sometimes you are conscious about your profile and you don't want anyone to view your profile. Then if this video is for you, you just have to follow me. First of all, open up your Facebook app and tap on the top right corner of your profile icon. And here you have to just scroll down and tap for settings. After tapping on settings, now you have to just scroll down and find the option how people find and contact you. Here it is, you just have to tap on it. After tapping on it, now here you have to limitize your profile visibility as you can. So there is no any direct way to fully hide your profile, but you can limitize your profile visibility. So first of all, you just have to open up first privacy. Who can send your friend request? You just have to tap on everyone, and here you have to choose friends of friend, because you should choose friends of friend rather than everyone. Now here, who can see your friend list, and here you have to just tap on only me. And here, who can look you up using the email address you provided, and here you have to also choose only me. And who can look you up using the phone number you provided, and here again you have to choose only me. And here you have to just toggle off, because it allows people to search your profile from search engine. In this way, you guys can protect your profile from most of people, but you guys cannot hide your profile from friends of friends. And in this way, you guys can limitize your profile visibility. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.